You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Punctuation lesson 1. Mastering colons, a comprehensive guide to punctuation. Colons are punctuation marks that serve different functions in writing. As an educator and a student, understanding and using colons correctly can enhance clarity and effectiveness in written communication. Here's an essential guide to their use. Colons are used to introduce a series of items in a list. For example, she must buy many items: bread, milk, butter, and eggs. Colons are used in conventional settings like time, ratios, and citations. For example, eat lemons and oranges in the ratio of 6:8 at 6 p.m. Colons are used to introduce a quote. Please note, a colon is not used to quoting speech unless it is in a dialogue or a transcript, or the quote is part of an explanation clause. For instance, the teacher said, "Education is the key to success." Colons are used between two independent clauses when the second clause explains, summarizes, or amplifies the first. For example, I have one rule: keep your room clean. Colons are used to emphasize a word, phrase, or clause that follows. For example, emphasizing a word: does one thing the treasures above all, silence. Emphasizing a phrase: the secret to her success was clear, hard work and determination. Emphasizing a clause: he is not just good at basketball, he is exceptional. Let's test our understanding of the functions of colons. Select an option that explains why a colon is used in this sentence. Look at the sentence. Your options are, and the right answer is option 4. Select a sentence that uses a colon to separate hours from the minutes. Your options are, and the right answer is option 2. Select a sentence that uses a colon to link two independent clauses where the second clause explains, summarizes, or amplifies the first. Your options are, and the right answer is option 1. In which sentence has a colon been misused? Your options are, and the right answer is option 3. Select an option to show why a colon is used in this sentence. Look at the sentence. Your options are, and the right answer is option 3. Which of these sentences need a colon to introduce the list? Your options are, and the right answer is option 2. After which word in the following sentence should there be a colon? Look at the sentence. And the right answer is after future. Hope this understanding and the correct usage of colons greatly helps you improve the sophistication and clarity of your writing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Do not hesitate to comment below with any questions or topics you want us to cover next. Let's master punctuation marks together.